My name is George Simelis. Here, welcome Dr. Mark Kontos. He just came. Welcome to Greece. Welcome to Laservision.
Thank you.
Dr. Kontos is a highly experienced refractive surgeon in the United States, and he's serving in the U.S. Navy as a surgeon. How would you describe your area of expertise, Dr. Kontos?
Well, I'm in practice up in the Pacific Northwest in the U.S., and I'm a cataract and refractive surgeon. I spend a lot of time with laser cataract surgery and LASIK. That's really the kind of the bulk of my practice is refractive. So.
And you spent some years in the U.S. Navy as a surgeon for the...
I spent about 10 years in the Navy. I trained in the Navy, did my ophthalmology residency in the service, and also was a flight surgeon in the Navy for...
You were a Top Gun.
I was with the Top Gun Squadron for 3 years, so it was a lot of fun.
That's very interesting. I really envy you. So why did you decide to come visit our center? What was your motivation?
Well, I found that through the years visiting practices, I always learn a lot when I come to another practice and get a chance to see how they do things. I really I always find things that I can take back to my practice and incorporate and make what we do a little bit better. So whenever the opportunity to visit a practice comes along, I always try and take advantage of it. And that opportunity did come. Dr. Kanellopoulos was kind enough to invite me to come and visit at some point if I was in the area. And being over here in Europe for another meeting, it worked out well to come by and see what was being done here. And there's so much that's happening in Europe that we don't have access to in the United States. And so for me, it really is a great opportunity to see some of those surgical techniques and some of the treatments that you have here in your clinic that we hope to have one day, but really don't at this point. So that was the motivation, really.
Any example of things that you think it was worth attending to?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm real involved in cross-linking in our practice, and I know that's a major thing that's done here at your center, and that you guys kind of were a leader in that, really, and published many papers and done a lot of research on it. And so, it enabled me to really come and see what you guys are doing really in the forefront right now. We're trying to catch up, and we're years behind in terms of the types of techniques, the way you're incorporating cross-linking in your practice, incorporating it with LASIK surgeries in addition, and being able to see that firsthand is really a huge benefit for me. And so that was really kind of, for me, the highlight of being able to be here and able to do that today.
Well, we got the highlight here. So you take home message?
For me, just, we need to really, it drives home the point for me that we really need to work hard in the United States to try and remove the roadblocks that really are in the way for us for innovation right now. There's just seeing what you guys can do here and the way you can treat patients, complex ophthalmic problems that I saw today in surgery that you have really good solutions for that will most likely be very beneficial for these patients. We just don't have, and it's frustrating to see that. Now I go back to my clinic and see patients like that. I know that what Dr. Kanellopoulos can do here in the office for them, I can't do, and it's a frustrating thing for us. And I'd like to see that change hopefully soon.
Well, we do hope so. Also, that these changes will come to the United States, and thank you for coming here. It was a pleasure meeting you.
George, it was a real pleasure to see you.
Thank you very much.